Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Box integration for project document control, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, log in to your Box account. Navigate to the admin console from the home screen. Once in the admin console, locate the Apps section. Select App Integrations from the menu options. In the App Integrations window, find the box for Project Management Integration. Click on the integration to open its configuration settings. Next, review the integration requirements and permissions. Ensure that you have the necessary admin privileges to proceed. Now, click the Configure button to start the setup process. Input relevant project details, including the name and description. Set the folder structure you want for document control. Choose the appropriate access levels for team members. You can restrict access based on roles or project needs. Add collaborators by entering their email addresses. Assign the necessary permissions to each collaborator. Decide on the default document types to be stored in Box. Select any templates that should be preloaded for users. Configure version control settings to manage document revisions effectively. Review the integration settings for accuracy. Once confirmed, click Save to apply the changes. Next, link Box to your project management tool if applicable. Follow the prompts for connecting the two platforms. Verify the connection by ensuring both tools communicate effectively. Test the integration by uploading a sample document to Box. Check that the document appears correctly in your project management system. Communicate with your team about the new integration. Provide training on how to use Box for document control. Regularly review the integration's performance and make adjustments as needed. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.